1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for run out. Run out means to run and leave somewhere. For example, the boy ran out of the classroom. Run out also means when something is used and there is no more left. We can use run out with time, money, energy, and supplies. For example, this pen has run out of ink. Running out means when there is almost no more left. For example, we are running out of food. Run out also means when an official document expires. For example, my contract runs out in August. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using run out and leave it in the comments below.